how to connect your broker to Tradingview. So you log into your Tradingview. As you can see, I've already logged into my Tradingview, and then you come to this arrow right here that is pointing up. You can see there that arrow that says open panel, and then it will show me a list of brokers that are there, and then I will search on my broker, the broker that I'm currently using, which is IC Market. As you can see, it appears right there. So let's say you use a different broker. Let's say I used it to use XM. So let's say you use XM. As you can see, XM does not support Tradingview. That's why it does not appear right here. Let's say you use HFM. It does not support Tradingview. So that means you will need to switch on to a broker that supports Tradingview. I used it to use XM and HFM, but I left them because they did not support Tradingview. So I needed a broker that supports Tradingview. So I jumped onto IC Market. So let me type there IC Market. Then click on IC Market. Then click on Connect. So it's loading there. After it is done loading, it will ask me to enter the email address and the password that I used to register with my broker. So let me put the email address. Let me just paste there and then type the password. And then click on login. And then as you can see, connect IC Markets to Tradingview. These are the accounts that I currently have with IC Markets. So I'll just click on sync to Tradingview. It's loading there. So as you can see, I have now connected my broker to Tradingview. As you can see, this is my live account there. So that means I can be able to analyze, place trades and close trades. Actually, I can be able to do everything in one platform. So yes guys, that's how you connect your broker to Tradingview. If your broker does not support Tradingview, then you need to find a broker that supports Tradingview. So yes guys, so the reason why we connect our brokers to Tradingview is so that we can be able to do everything in one platform, because it's a bit difficult for you to come and analyze on Tradingview and then you go to your broker's platform to take trades, or you go to MT4 or MT5 to take trades. You might be a bit delayed because the market is moving. So that's it there. As well as when it comes to analyzing, you might find out that on Tradingview you are analyzing with a different broker, and then when you go to your broker to place trades, it becomes a bit challenging because prices are a bit different, as well as candlestick printing. It's a bit it's slightly different between brokers, so you might end up making mistakes because even the prices are different. So that's the reason we would want to connect our brokers to Tradingview. It's because we want to be able to do everything in one platform. So yes, that's it there guys. That's how you connect your broker to Tradingview.